Testing, of course, key to preventing the spread of COVID-19, especially when so many cases are asymptomatic, but it needs to be available in a more timely fashion to pinpoint who should quarantine and who has been exposed.
And as you can see from some of the video here, timeliness has been a big concern for a lot of people as they've waited in long lines. Kate Walsh is joining us live to explain how the state is making more testing sites available.
Yeah, and we're live in front of one of them, and I'll have more on that in a moment. But first, you've probably seen those long lines outside the Rhode Island Convention Center, a big testing site, if you've been in downtown Providence lately, or just seen our video when we've been down in the area. And, you know, people have reported being in line in their car waiting for over an hour, and that's with an appointment that they've made ahead of time. And getting a time slot is a problem in and of its own right now. Governor Raimondo has touted that Rhode Island is leading the nation in testing and said she aims to double testing capacity in the coming weeks. In the meantime, though, as Rhode Island is put on hold, so are many people on the phones and online trying to get that testing appointment. 12 News spoke with one woman who was getting tested Thursday, a test she scheduled a week prior, only to find out she wouldn't be getting the results right away and had to wait even longer on the phone to see what her new options were.
I was on hold for half an hour. I spoke with the woman for a couple of minutes, and then she put me on hold with the scheduling people. I was on hold another 15 minutes and then sent to voicemail.
I know it takes days to get your test. I've heard from a lot of you. It's taking too long to schedule. We're behind. We're going to get better.
The state just added 2,000 more daily asymptomatic tests and 300 more each day for people with symptoms of COVID-19. Starting this morning at 9 o'clock, McCoy Stadium in Pawtucket will be offering drive-through testing every day now, 9 to 5. Same times at South Road Elementary School in South Kingstown, which starts testing tomorrow and will only be for asymptomatic testing. And then the Stop and Shop in Greenville opens Monday for daily testing, and that's for asymptomatic people as well. That runs Monday through Saturday. Now we're live outside McCoy here in Pawtucket, and actually if you follow your GPS it might bring you to the entrance of McCoy, but you'll see orange signs along the way pointing you to the COVID test site. So that's where we are right now. You can see that big sign here. It says you are being tested for COVID, and then right behind us barriers are set up, but starting at 9 o'clock this morning it's likely going to be very busy with cars lining up as they wait their turn down this street kind of behind the stadium itself, and that's where people will get tested. It'll be a drive-through experience, in and out, so to speak, but you'll likely have to wait in line, and again, this is by appointment only. Live in Pawtucket this morning, I'm Kate Walsh, 12 News.